Are you looking for the best budget elliptical trainers? In this video we will look at some of the best budget elliptical trainers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Electromagnetic Recumbent Cross Trainer. Elevate your fitness journey with Sunny Health and Fitness. Download the Sunny Fit app to explore 1000 plus workout videos that fit your schedule and goals. Engage with expert trainers on the Sunny Fit app for real-time tracking, personalized guidance, and customized workouts. Compete for the leaderboard, share your experience, track metrics, explore workout map and much more with this innovative app. With 16 different levels of electromagnetic resistance, you will be able to set your workout intensity level to perfectly meet your needs. Crank up the resistance for a challenging full body workout, or dial it down for a low impact and low intensity recovery session. Take the guesswork out of your exercise session and use one of the 12 pre-programmed elliptical workouts built into the machine. If you prefer to customize your own workout, the Smart Recumbent Elliptical Cross Trainer allows you to create up to 4 unique user programs for a personalized workout experience. Protect your joints while still challenging yourself. Our Recumbent Elliptical allows you to improve cardiovascular health and build strength, but is also gentle on your body. Work various muscle groups in both your upper and lower body by simultaneously using the movable handles and elliptical-sized foot pedals. If you want a more focused workout, use the handles or foot pedals independently for a targeted upper or lower body burn. Number 2. Legacy Stepping Elliptical Machine. This elliptical training machine uses a magnetic resistance with a belt drive system, providing an extremely quiet and smooth striding experience. You can do intense cardio workouts without disturbing your family. Avoid the hassle of overly complicated assembly. This convenient elliptical cross trainer is designed for quick assembly. With our detailed manual and assembly video instructions, users usually take less than 30 minutes to assemble it. The SFE 905 elliptical machine provides a full-body cardio exercise with minimal impact. You can enjoy the same benefits of running without hurting your knees, making it perfect for people looking to recover from injuries. With the twist of the precise microcontroller equipped with 8 levels of magnetic resistance, you can easily adjust the intensity of your workout and quickly locate the exact level needed for your routine. This compact machine is ideal for people looking to achieve an incredible workout but do not have much space to work with. Measuring only 17x 57 inches wide by 28 inches high, the space-saving design and transportation wheels allow for easy storage and portability. Keep track of your progress with the LCD monitor, which displays time, speed, distance, total distance, calories, RPM, and pulse rate. Number 3. Elliptical Exercise Machine. The precision-engineered magnetic system delivers an ultra-smooth elliptical exercise. The 15.5-inch natural stride minimizes knee stress, accommodates heights up to 6 feet 4 inches. The extreme comfort makes sticking to your workout routine a breeze. With every step, you'll be encouraged to stride even further. The internal magnetic drive system provides an exercise experience even quieter than breathing. Whether it's early morning or late at night, your workout will never disturb your neighbors or family's sleep, and it won't interfere with your enjoyment of music and TV shows. The 100 pounds mainframe provides secure support for users up to 400 pounds. The sturdy construction and premium materials are aimed at long-term durability, accompanying you on your journey to becoming a better version of yourself. The magnetic drive system and 16 pounds flywheel ensure stable tension output. Whether you aim for cardio or weight loss, the 16 challenging resistance levels allow you to find the perfect exercise resistance for your needs. Gear up to embrace a more vibrant you. The digital monitor tracks 5 key data including time, speed, distance, calories, and pulse. Every step is in your mind. The Nice Day elliptical machine comes 90% pre-assembled and includes all the necessary tools. Guided by a detailed user manual and installation video, You can complete the setup within just 20 minutes. Kickstart your elliptical workout with ease. Number 4. Pre-installed elliptical exercise machine trainer. Elliptical trainer is designed to be 95% pre-assembled, making it incredibly easy for anyone to finish installation in just 30 minutes. Plus, when not in use, it can be quickly and easily folded up for compact storage, saving valuable space in your home. Perfect for busy individuals who want a convenient and effective workout solution. Newly upgraded elliptical workout equipment features 22 levels of adjustable resistance, providing a challenging workout for every member of your family, no matter what their fitness level may be. From beginners to fitness enthusiasts, everyone can find a suitable resistance level to meet their needs. Go ahead and challenge yourself with the highest level of resistance on our elliptical machine. Elliptical exercise equipment is designed with an easy-to-read LCD monitor that displays your time, speed, distance, calories burned, pulse rate, and scan. Additionally, pulse pads on the stationary handlebars allow for convenient heart rate monitoring during your workout, and for added convenience, we've included a tablet holder, so you can enjoy your favorite videos or music while exercising. YoungFit elliptical exercise machine is designed with a magnetic resistance system that provides an unbelievably smooth and nearly silent workout experience. You can exercise indoors without worrying about disturbing your family or roommates, and the machine requires virtually no maintenance. Enjoy a peaceful and effective workout in the comfort of your own home. Number 5. FEIERDUN elliptical machine. Taking into consideration the experience of every home exerciser, 90% of the FEIERDUN elliptical machine is pre-assembled before leaving the factory. With the included installation tools, almost anyone can finish unboxing and installing within 30 minutes. Compared with traditional magnetic elliptical machines, we've adopted the most advanced ultra-quiet electromagnetic drive system. Even with prolonged use, the noise can be controlled within 10 decibels. You can fully immerse yourself in the fun of exercise without worrying about disturbing your husband/wife/children's sleep or study. This elliptical machine employs the latest front drive design with a stride length of 20 inches. The movement trajectory is elliptical, which not only stabilizes the center of gravity and increases stride but also prevents knee damage during long-term use. It is particularly suitable for home exercisers who are 5.2 to 6.8 feet. Our elliptical offering the maximum of 32 adjustable resistance levels on the market, and features an inbuilt 11-pound magnetic flywheel that feels smooth and frictionless, with stronger resistance and longer lifespan. It meets different resistance needs for both beginners and fanatics.